If you want to use camera filters on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, first we need to open the camera. Now let's say in the photo mode we can easily find camera filters by using this button over here on the right side, these three circles over here. Here we can find all different filters that we can use quite easily. We can swipe through this list in order to try to find your favorite filter, and you can tap on original in case you want to turn off these filters. Furthermore, the photo mode also has the light filter, which is accessible over here above when we tap on that circle button. And here we can just use a soft light, we can use a misty light, glowing light, or a dreamy light. And of course we can also find like retouch options in here as well. Besides that, if you tap on the photo mode again, you should be able to find smart scenes, which might be helpful. For example, if you try to capture a photo of a stage, if you want to capture a silhouette photo or fireworks. So that's it, leave a like and subscribe.